tell you why I'm mad, nigga. Let me tell you why I'm mad. I'm gonna tell you why I'm mad. Cause these bum ass niggas is getting $2 million for bullshit. That's why I'm mad. Woo! Talk to him. I don't even want to talk to him. I'm gonna rap for him. You know what I'm saying?
This is the intermission.
Let me tell you why I'm mad.
Why you mad?
And then I'll tell you why I'm glad. Cause I just smoked a bag with your bitch on my side. I told that bitch, matter of fact, chill and take a drag. If she don't wanna race now, do her like a fag. You want some other niggas, all I do is bust the triggers. Matter of fact, count the dough, count some figures. It's in the safe, all I do is get this cake. Matter of fact, see them leaves falling, watch I get a rake. I might escape, but I ain't talking about no singing group. Y'all niggas wanna talk shit, you ain't singing coop. I'm in this bitch, nigga, y'all niggas slacking. I'm in this bitch breathing that fire just like a dragon. My niggas in this bitch and we fucking stack, man. I swear to God I eat the competition pack, man. Y'all niggas wanna talk the truth. I dunk on your niggas like you a basketball hoop. I'm spitting the truth, you might see my niggas in groups. And matter of fact, my niggas like pirates cause all we do is loot. We robbing niggas, I swear to God I'm problem niggas. I might automatic mic just revolve a nigga. But fuck revolve a nigga, I might run up and I show you that I'm paid nigga. Drop them like grenades nigga, I might blow up. Hold up, get your flow up. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with me, so get your dough up. Y'all niggas need some exercise, so do a toe touch. Y'all need some exercise, so do a toe touch. Y'all niggas is cops, so get some donuts.
Y'all niggas is cops, so get some donuts. And y'all niggas ain't busting glass, eat your chrome up. Now y'all niggas know I want more bucks.
G-Way is made of kings. Everybody's looking for something. G-Way, we made of kings. Getting green and we know we be stuntin'.
G-Way is made of kings. I want your baby mama to do a thing. And if she wanna, don't give me no ring. Niggas know that I'm looking for something. G-Way up in the building. Hide the women. Okay, listen, G-Way up in the building, hide the women, I don't want the children, I put it in her mouth until she lose feeling, I can't stop until my money on the ceiling, I count the paper till my hands lose feeling, and y'all niggas don't know that this is real, man. Listen, I'm getting money like a hillman, but you know that my money more like Stillman. Listen, I'm getting paper, no kill, man, and niggas know I'm getting paid like bills, man.
Niggas didn't even recognize I was in the building. I got enough money for these motherfucking children. Fuck that rap shit, I'ma make it killing. Trinidad James got about 2 million, at least I can get about 5. Going to 2K, you niggas can't stop my drive. What the fuck you niggas talking about? I'm like Route 66, don't wanna go that route. What the fuck you about? Tell your bitch open her mouth, and then I tell her go deep down south. Her throat catch it, I bet you motherfuckers feel it. Put any track on, I'ma motherfucking kill it. Pussy nigga, all eyes on me. Check your girl in the back, bang, ski. I don't give a fuck, got Miami like the Heat. Play for the game and you know we play for keeps. Money on the table, so my niggas tryna eat. Motherfucking 50K for a fucking feet. Sir, Pete, Burr. Y'all niggas know I end the future, but I'm no future. But I will do her. What the fuck you niggas talking about? What? You don't know nothing about the kid. Next time you should shut your motherfucking mouth.
I'm a beast, nigga, what you think he here for? Slam you on your neck, what you think he big for? Talking practice gator, what you think his ribs for? Get him by the neck, what you think his kids for? I spit shit, nigga, sweated is reckless. Swear to God, y'all niggas know that we next, bitch. And it's flat screen, just something like Nexus. Google tablet, nigga, who the hell, nigga?